Here's a quick video. Someone was wondering how you could make a rebar fence a little stronger. Now, for those of you who don't know about rebar fences, I would advise you to probably think twice before using them. The rebar is going to rust. I mean, if you're looking for a rusted look, and that's usually what happens when most people are going to build them. They wanted the rebar to rust and make it look like a rustic kind of look, then you're going to be okay. But if you're going to paint this stuff, you could end up with you're going to end up with an antique fence eventually, something that looks like it's old. But someone was saying that if you push on the rebar, you have a half-inch rebar, for example, and you have something that's 6 foot long, you can actually just kick these right out. You can just push them right out of the fence. You can bend them, and they were wondering how you could make something like this a little stronger. Well, here's the answer. All you would need to do would be to install a board in the center. Something like this. This is about 6 foot, maybe 65 inches, something like that. Simply put a board in the center. That should solve your problem. And of course, if this doesn't, then simply put a couple of more boards in there, right? If one isn't enough, then two will be a little better. And these are probably about 22 inches apart here. This should create a nice strong fence. However, for those of you who are looking for something a little stronger, then you might want to put another board in. And of course, you can put as many boards as you would like into something like this. And you could always make the rebar a little larger. Half-inch rebar might not be enough. You might want to go to 5/8 or 3/4 inch rebar. And hopefully you now have a pretty good idea how to make a fence with rebar a little stronger